All right, let's get a check on the crypto market now. Definitely it's a new trading week, the last trading week of October. Let's see if the bulls can do something. But we're seeing a green on the screen right in the crypto market with few pockets of red. Bitcoin, $68,635, a jump of 2.18%. Right there. Let's look at the sentiment in the market, how investors feeling in this trading week. We know last time was getting to neutral, but now it's back in greed. With that big move we're seeing with Bitcoin. If we look at top cryptocurrencies that we track, we see the likes of XRP. That's some traders have called it a stable coin at this point, but it's up 1.51%. Cardano 1.80%. So big moves up. BNB, that's the token for the cryptocurrency exchange. That's Binance there, trading up 1.84%. Ethereum 2.27%, following with what we're seeing with the big rise with Bitcoin. All right, let's see some top headlines in the crypto market now. We see Hong Kong's securities regulator is set to start fast-tracking licenses for cryptocurrency exchange by the end of 2024, as the region is looking to capitalize on the boom in digital asset trading. Now we see the Indian Central Bank Governor Shaktikananda Das has sounded the alarm on the risk that crypto poses to financial stability and sovereignty. In a speech at the Peterson Institute for International Macroeconomics 2024 event, Das reiterated his concerns about the dangers of legitimizing crypto use and called for international cooperation to regulate the nascent market. Also, we see crypto blockchain network that enables anyone to easily deploy their own blockchain. That's Celestia. That's with the ticker TIA. They're expecting a big unlock on the calendar, which has already sparked concerns of potential sell pressure. We'll see for Wednesday, they're releasing about 175 million TIA tokens, valued at $902 million. And this will all be unleashed into the market. So definitely investors are wondering, is the market going to be able to absorb all of that that's coming from the market there? So that unlock is coming. So if you're holding TIA, that's Celestia, then you should be planning what to do with your holdings at this point. Well, let's talk to Solomon Amunde now, financial market analyst. Hello, Solomon. Great to have you.
Yeah, good afternoon, Ladi.
Yeah, so on the back of this Celestia token unlock, we know how token unlocks play out in the market. Investors expect that it's going to be sell pressure once we see the platform, trying to unlock tokens to some of the investors. So what are you seeing with Celestia right now? Do you think it's going to be, do you think the investors will be able to absorb this unlock coming up?
We have already started seeing the sell pressure on the token. Immediately they got the information about the unlock. So to note this, Celestia is currently sitting at its weekly low within the last 7 days. So I would say people have already started reacting to it negatively by selling off. So we just have to wait to see the bottom price that it will drop to. Most likely the next support we should be around in the range of $4 and $4.6.
So I guess this is a time for shorters to have fun with this token.
Yeah, shorters should have already short from like yesterday. Right now, it's kind of late to short from today.
Yeah, most of the time, most investors get to these parties really late. So we see the U.S. election, all investors, bracing, for that. But how do you see it impacting Bitcoin? We know most of the candidates there have talked about, cryptocurrency, how most of them, how they plan to, support crypto. We even had the likes of Donald Trump there at a crypto event, ramping up confidence, with most of those cryptocurrency enthusiasts. So how are you seeing this impacting Bitcoin and Ethereum price action?
I think Bitcoin will be the biggest winner to affect the price of Bitcoin positively. We have already started seeing that play out. I mean, barely 10 days ago, we saw Bitcoin correct to almost 65K. And right now, we're seeing lots of green. So I'm expecting to see some good movement and good price action on Bitcoin. Most likely, we're making a move for $71,000 again. So between now and the day of the election, I should expect us to go above $70,000.
So another wild story here. We're seeing meme coins. We know how most traders like to, enjoy some of these rises in the meme coins, and we've seen some persons, according to data, turn $100 into $100,000. That's quite incredible. But with the meme coins, but I'm still wondering. Some of those traders, they've been in that market long enough. I know some of them don't like to touch, meme coins. So who are the traders enjoying most of these profits with meme coins?
It's majorly traders that move with the trend and that move with the hype, and also traders with good liquidity. They are the ones making the most of meme coins, because we know the crypto market is fueled and moved by narrative and trends. And if you want to stay on top of the market and want to stay profitable long term, you just have to adjust as fast as possible to trends. So the traders that were able to adjust early on to the AI meme coins trend, they are the ones making the most returns, whereas those that have refused to adjust, they are not making that much returns yet.
And how long do you see this meme craze continuing for?
Yeah, I strongly believe it will last for a while. I strongly believe the narrative is quite strong. So I see this lasting for as long as the bull run lasts. The meme coin craze, I expect it to last that much. In fact, I would expect to see a meme coin super cycle actually.
Right, and what happens to all those other coins that are supposed to be, projects that have real world use and doing something real in the world? Is it that traders don't care about all those projects anymore?
Yeah, sadly, most traders don't care about lots of those projects again. And also some investors too are beginning to kind of like switch their focus to some meme coins. And you won't really blame the traders, because of most of these projects have ended up being failed projects or abandoned projects with very large token unlocks that makes the price extremely unstable. And most times it makes it like a pump and dump, where after the token maxes out at a particular price, we start seeing lots of unlocks over the next months and years, and the price just keeps dumping. So most persons are not really excited about the return on investment for most utility projects. That's why they are pivoting to meme coins more these days.
All right, so I guess they're just having fun with some of these, meme coins, some goats, dogs, rabbits, different animals and weird names, at this point with over 2 million trading in this market. Definitely not easy for, for traders to, navigate most of these meme coin projects. But let's look at Solana now. We see the blockchain is topped with the highest on-chain volume with about $13 billion volume. That's for that Solana blockchain. What do you think is bringing this much volume, to the Solana blockchain?
Yeah, Solana blockchain is massively benefiting from the meme hype, the meme coin hype, and the meme coin run. They have been reaping the most profits actually, and they are like, should I call them the pioneers of the meme rally we're seeing this year? They're actually making it easy for almost all platforms. And they have also taken time to build the infrastructure for these meme coins to thrive. So it's no surprise that their trading volume has gone up to over $13 billion within the last 7 days. And I expect it to also increase over time. I mean, initially we could see Solana do $1.4 billion $1.4 billion trading volume daily. Last I checked, we saw them max out at almost $4 billion daily trading volume, which was really, really amazing. So I'm not really surprised. 90% of the memes are on Solana, and we have hundreds of memes created every day on Solana with insane trading volume. So it's no surprise, actually.
But in the long run, I keep wondering how this whole meme craze is going to play out, and how many bag holders will end up holding most of these coins. But is this going to play into the Solana token price? Most of these volume we're seeing on the blockchain.
Yes. Invariably, we are going to see the price of Solana appreciate drastically, most likely above $300. We will see that because the more meme coins we're having on the Solana ecosystem, the more Solana tokens are being locked in liquidity pools, and the more scarcity of Solana that we're seeing in the ecosystem. So a whole lot is happening at the same time. So like it or not, there will be less sell pressure on the token itself. There will be less Solana tokens to go around, and this will create some form of scarcity. And over time, it will impact the price of Solana positively, obviously. So I'll be expecting the price of Solana to easily go above $300. I mean, they have already beat Ethereum on weekly trading volume. It just needs a few more boxes to tick, and we'll start seeing Solana rally to new all-time high.
All right, we'll keep watching and see how the Solana blockchain plays out. Thank you so much, Solomon Amunde, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thank you very much, man.